Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes and chocolate sauce. To begin, gather your pancake ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 large egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter ready. These are the foundational elements for fluffy pancakes. Now let's create the perfect pancake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, egg, and melted butter. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in tender pancakes. Allow the batter to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, let's gather what you'll need for the rich chocolate sauce. You'll want 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 cup of granulated sugar. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt will enhance the chocolate flavor. For the liquid, have 1/2 cup of milk ready. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, cut into pieces, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to finish it off beautifully. Now it's time to cook and enjoy. Heat your griddle to a medium-low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. For the sauce, combine cocoa, sugar, salt, and milk in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 2 minutes. Stir in the butter and vanilla until smooth, then drizzle over your warm pancakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.